Indie.
The big roasters. You have the Offenhausers.
So I can get in touch with you. Sure. This is the guy that can
A distributor in the Harley. What's that? A Harley motor distributor in the front.
Oh, okay.
Well, I'll probably find out. And I think last I read, he had to turn it up to 5,000 RPM. This one turns 12,000. But I can understand where he ran into some problems with the ignition. Things have changed a little bit, more high tech today. So
I know he asked my younger brother to help him one time, some sort of a vernier deal so that he could, I think, get the timing right. Whether it was the valve timing or the ignition, I don't know what it was.
The valve timing, I think, yeah.
Some sort of a vernier deal, my brother.
I got the same thing on this also.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, good talking to you.
You know what they're up on?